Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Doomsday on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store and also make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once you're inside the search box, type in Doomsday and search. Look for this application from igg.com that says Doomsday Last Survivors, and then tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Sign in with your Apple ID or your Face ID if available, and then go through the download process. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your mobile device, and you will be able to launch open the application just fine. So that's how easily you can get the famous Doomsday application and play your favorite game right from your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.